Artoonza.
In this easy tutorial, we'll learn how to draw an easy boat from the number 1, or as I like to call it, art from numbers. Drawing time. Let's have a lot of fun together. Give us your like. Hold on to your crayons. We're about to draw something super cool. Ready to splash some color. Let's color together. Blue, yellow, green. Color, color, color.
Wow!
Don't be shy, color high. This is much better. Actually, it's great. Blue.
Oh, so
Color, color, color. Shoo, go away. Glitter time. Let's make it shine. Smash that like button now.
Wow!
Give us a big thumbs up. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.